Hi guys and gals, this is Atif and you're watching Moon 333 where I'm posting the different trading ideas in different assets and also educational stuff. If you're not following me so far, then do start follow for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos, and do remember that the information I'm providing here in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. In my previous videos, and in my previous articles on the Tradingview and on the different platforms as well, I have been posting the different trading ideas on Bitcoin Cash. But I'll just show you some of those ideas to have some recap and to see what's going on with the Bitcoin Cash price action and what the price action is doing now. Uh, this is my portal on the TradingView, and here I am just going to show you some of my previous charts. I'm also sharing the TradingView's link in the video's description. If you don't have account, you can even also create the free account there, and you can follow my all ideas from there. When you'll click on the account on that link, then you will be on the TradingView side, and after when you will be on the TradingView side, you just need to click the people option and write my name, Moon Triple Three. You'll find my link here, Moon Triple Three, and it will be easy for you to follow my all ideas on the TradingView. All right, I'm just taking you to my previous ideas to have some recap. First, we have seen that the Bitcoin Cash had formed a bullish garlet pattern, and which this idea I have posted on the 9th October 2019, and here I predicted that the price action will hit this sell zone. And at that time it was in the potential reversal zone of this garlet pattern, and after playing idea we can see that the price action has hit this sell zone, which is the 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci of A to D Fibonacci projection. And if the price action will be able to cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci, then it will definitely can lead to a very strong bull rally. First, it can hit the first resistance level at 501. I'll definitely show you um, in this video how it can do that. And after that, I've posted this idea where I've shown that the Bitcoin was moving in a pennant, in a bearish pennant since June 2019. And here at this time, at this point, I predicted on 23rd of December that this time, after hitting at the support of this pennant, the Bitcoin is turning very powerful bullish, and it will definitely have a breakout from the resistance of this bearish pennant. And I've already shown all the reasons and all the indications in this post and article, and on my video which I have posted on the YouTube and on the different platforms as well. You can see in my previous videos and the articles as well what was the reasons behind that. And I'm just playing this idea. Now just take a look at this, how the price action took the bullish divergence, a very powerful bullish divergence, and now we are out of this pennant and we are in a new uptrend move. This is a new uptrend. Here we have it started a new uptrend by the price action of the Bitcoin Cash. Now let's move to the next chart. After this, I have posted this chart where the price action of Bitcoin Cash had formed a bullish shark pattern, and here I predicted that from here the price action will take the bullish divergence and hit this sell zone, and I was expecting up to 55%, but it has produced more than 120% profit. And after that, I've posted this idea. This is a very important idea here. I've defined different resistance levels of the Bitcoin Cash. First resistance level was at 304.48 dollars, and the second resistance level was at $355.43, and the third resistance level, which is the key level resistance for the Bitcoin Cash price action, is at $501. Once this resistance level will be broken out, then a very, very powerful bullish rally can be started, which can lead to lead the price action to make a new high, or it can lead the price action to start a very strong bullish rally like we have seen back in 2017 and 18. Now here I've predicted that the price action will break these three resistance levels step by step. First, it will break like this resistance level and have a weak pullback, and it will retest this resistance level as a support, and after that it will try to break out from this resistance level, and after that it will have another pullback, a weak pullback, and retest this resistance level as a support, and after that it will start a new bull rally to hit this resistance level at $501. And I posted this chart on January 12, and now I'm playing the chart, and we can see, same as I have predicted in this article, the price action has broken out this resistance level and retested this resistance level as a support, and now finally we have also broken out this resistance level, and now the price action is moving down to retest this resistance level of $355.43 as a support. And once this support will be retested again, then we can have another bounce towards $501. Now let's move to the live chart to have some more, to see some more developments. What we have here. Now, uh, it's likely to be the price action is likely to start a pullback move towards this support at $355.43 to retest this resistance level as a support. And back in my previous chart, I have shown that uh, here we can see that the EMAs, the exponential moving averages, up to 3-day chart had formed a bull cross. Now here we can see what's happening in the current move. The EMAs up to 1-week chart. These are the EMAs, and I'm just taking you to the week chart. And now we can see up to 1-week chart, we have a bull cross formation between exponential moving average 10, which is in blue color, and the exponential moving average 20, which is a very, very strong bullish signal. Up to week chart, we have a bull cross by the EMAs. And in my previous article, I've shown that we had a very strong bullish signal from the Ichimoku cloud. Ichimoku cloud was turned strong bullish, and here we had the candlesticks crossed up. The bearish cloud and the lagging span has also crossed up the candlesticks and also the cloud as well. And these were the very strong bullish signals. Even uh, these conversion line had also crossed up the baseline of the Ichimoku cloud as well. And this was another very strong signal. But if we see the Ichimoku cloud in this chart, on the live chart, Then we can see up to 4-day chart. Previously, we had the bullish cloud up to 1-day chart. Now it is turned bullish up to 4-day chart, and candlesticks has almost crossed up on 4-day chart this bullish cloud as well. And if we see the lagging span, I'm just making it more visible. It will be easy for you to see the lagging span. The lagging span, sorry. And here we can see the lagging span has crossed up the price action, and soon it will uh, cross up this cloud as well. And if we see the conversion line and the baselines of this Ichimoku cloud, let me to remove these EMAs and make the conversion and the baseline more prominent for you, more visible for you. And we can see we have a bull cross between the conversion line and the baseline as well. Conversion line has crossed up the baseline below the price action, which is a very, very strong bullish signal. And on 4-day chart, this is really a very strong bullish signal. So, there was some other things in my previous charts. We can see that up to 1 week chart, we had a bull cross by the stochastic, and the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, was turning weak bearish from strong bearish. It was in, you can see the histogram of the MACD was in dark red, and here it was turned in light or dull red color. And if now we see, just removing the Ichimoku cloud, and now we can see the stochastic, and this is the MACD. And if we see this chart on 3 weeks, that was on 1 week. We had the bull signals on 1 week. And now I'm showing you on 3 week chart, we have a bull cross from the stochastic, and the MACD, moving average convergence divergence, is turned very strong bullish on 3 week chart. 3 week chart, which is a really very strong bullish signal at this time when we have crossed the second resistance level. And in previous post, I've also posted my previous harmonic charts as well. But here we have some more developments. Let me just show you that if we see the volume oscillator, and the volume indicator as well. Okay. And let's move to the day chart back. Okay. Now we are on the day chart, and here when we hit for the first time at this first resistance level, then the volume oscillator, which is showing the power of buyers or power of buying or selling. Here we can see the buying volume was triggered with the oscillation of up to 33.05%. Take a look here. Take a look at here at left side. We can see this is showing uh, the buying or sell oscillation here. Now I'm placing the cursor here, then you can see it is showing 33.05%, and we hit at the first resistance level. And here the second time, here the buying volume oscillator is triggered again with the more power. It is moving more up. Now you can see here at left side, the buying volume oscillator power is 43.93%, which is far more powerful than the previous volume oscillator, buying volume oscillator, and it is triggered with the more power here at 43.93%. Therefore, we have broken out this resistance level, and it is down again. And next time, if it will be triggered more up or with the oscillation of even, I think it will be triggered with the power of 10 even, then we can hit the 501 resistance level, which is our key level resistance. And once this resistance level will be broken out, we can have another very powerful bullish rally. And the most important thing for me is the move of the simple moving averages, which is very optimistic. I've already defined a template of the moving averages. Therefore, I didn't need to place the moving averages again and again. So here you can see we have 4 moving averages. This blue one is 25, this green one is 50, this red one is 100, and this black one is the 200 moving average. Now, here back in April 2019, we are seeing that a proper an alligator mouth was opened from April to almost June 2019, and it has triggered a very powerful bullish rally, uh, which led the price action to take up to $517, $517.75. And here we can see at this point, we are likely to have a same formation in process again. The 25 moving average has crossed up all the moving averages, and now the 50 moving average, the green one, has crossed up this 100 moving average and going to make a golden cross with this 200 moving average as well, like it has formed a golden cross here. And soon we will have the 100 moving average and the 200 moving average golden cross like we had here. And you can see all the moving averages are already moving up, and definitely when the moving averages will be moving up, those moving averages will take the price action and lift the price action more up. So that will be a very, very strong support to lead the price action to hit the $501 very soon. Now we are waiting for this pullback, and after when the price action will hit at this resistance level as a support, it will retest this resistance level as a support, then we will see a very strong bull move which will lead the price action to hit this level of $501. And if the price action will be not able to retest this resistance level as a support, and if it will be broken down again, then this will be our stop loss. I'm using this $304.48 as my stop loss. If a complete price action or candlestick will be closed, one or two candlestick will be closed below this support level, then I'm out of this trade. So this was the update from the Bitcoin Cash so far. Once I'll have some more developments, whether those developments will be bullish or bearish, definitely I will share with you soon. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it and do hit the like. Take care. Goodbye.